Today, if you can believe it, marks 2 years since the first COVID case was confirmed in New Mexico. It also marks a big shift in the state's response to the pandemic. Let's get to News 13's Stephanie Chavez.
Health leaders just gave an update on how the state is moving forward and learning to, quote, live with COVID. One of the biggest changes we'll start seeing next week from the Department of Health is how the state tracks and reports COVID data.
Because at this point, what we've learned is the cases themselves are nowhere near as important as hospitalizations.
Starting on Monday, the state will scale back some of its intense daily reporting of COVID-19 and instead publish a new section on its website. The DOH will track and publish daily hospitalizations, deaths, and new and cumulative cases. It'll drop the test positivity rate, saying it's no longer reliable due to widespread home testing. The state's health secretary highlighted some of the key milestones through the pandemic, taking a moment to reflect on the more than 7,000 New Mexicans who died from COVID. But today was also the focus of more good news. At midnight, the state's crisis standards of care declaration expires. With the DOH moving to a more automated reporting system, Dr. Scrace says he'll be able to shift many state employees back to their regular jobs.
Most of those people are going to go back to their real jobs that they had, managing a lot of other really important parts of what the Department of Health does. Our numerous programs, our efforts to combat substance use disorder, our other vaccinations that we track and encourage, particularly among kids.
Other changes: the state will no longer share the age or county of someone who dies of COVID-19, citing privacy reasons. Since the state has to verify each positive case, it will not include home testing in its daily case counts. The DOH says the COVID cases have dropped more than 50% over the last week. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Stephanie. Now, Santa Fe Public Schools today also announced starting today, masks there will be optional in schools and other facilities. That district was one of the last in the state to keep its mask mandate.